jersey number 3. They both play the outside hitter positions. But, you know, this is new, Janvic, and we have to see kung ano ba yung difference nitong magkambal na to. Difference ng magkambal, di ba? That's the paano ba sabihin? Hindi misteryo eh. Kumbaga, it's a happy problem. Magkamukha talaga.
Magkambal din ba yung the way nilang maglaro?
Yun. Wow. Okay. Densing. That's Aya Densing.
Ito yung isa sa mga players ng Benilde na medyo hinulma na ng mga senior players na gumraduate last season.
You can see may angas itong si Densing. First TV match, nagpakita agad. Amante getting denied at the net. 2 early points for the Benildians.
Kasi kung makikita mo yung mga players ng Benilde, yung height level nila, matataas pa din eh. Nawala yung mga senior players, pero yung mga pumalit naman sa kanila, medyo mas magaganda at some point yung mga height.
So this is Kai Lieses wearing jersey number 2. Yung kambal niya is Ash Lieses. And this is Densing from the middle.
2 points galing dito kay Densing wearing jersey number 9.
Aya Densing nagpapakilala. TV match, first one of the season, 2 points agad.
Good serve.
Laurente. And good read by Densing. Another point para sa Benilde.
2 errors naman ang binibigyan ng JRU para dito sa koponan ng Benilde. Yan, itong team na to, ang hindi mo pwedeng bigyan basta-basta ng mga errors.
Laurente pops that one up. Ito ang atake. Lieses was there. And the other Lieses gets the point. Kanina si Kai Lieses, ngayon naman number 3, Ash Lieses.
Shahana.
Time on 5. The JRU Lady Bombers. Score is 5-0.
Napatawag ng timeout si Coach Mia. Let's listen in.
Pag backliner kayo, kasi mag-receive. Natural, di ba? Oh. Tara. 160 game yung blocking nyo. Tingnan nyo kung nasan yung bola. Tapos dun kayo. Silipin mo yan. Silipin mo.
Coach Mia Tioseco, as we mentioned, longtime head coach of JRU, and we have the Lieses twins. So yung tunay na pangalan, Shekinah Reg Lieses. Tapos yung kambal niya, Shahana Rain Lieses.
Yeah.
So yung nicknames, Kai and Ash. Mas madali.
Pero halos magkadikit rin. Shahana Rain. Shekinah Reg.
Alright, makibalita muna tayo kay Mikay Mindanao.
Anton and Janvic, who doesn't love second chances? Because this might be the case for the JRU Lady Bombers, because they are treating this second round as their second chance to rebrand and to regroup themselves in this season. Sabi pa nga ni Coach Mia Tioseco na hindi niya ine-expect yung ganong outcome noong first round. Pero sabi pa nga niya sa akin na binigyan ito ng time. Binigyan sila ng time para makapag-improve and ma-work on yung kanilang floor defense and to work on their area of responsibilities. Kaya ngayong second round, ina-expect niya na mas magiging matapang at mas cohesive yung kanyang mga players. Sabi pa nga sa akin ni Kyla Hazareno, ang kanilang team captain, na hindi man in-expect nila yung ganong outcome noong first round. Babalik sila ngayon, second round, na mas composed, kalmado, pero may gigil at puso para bumawi. Abangan natin if the JRU Lady Bombers will make their chance count. Balik sa inyo, Anton and Janvic.
Thank you very much, Mikay. Number 4 sa digging ang JRU in the first round. So definitely something that they have been working on this season, Janvic.
Well, kung makikita natin, babalikan natin yung stats kanina ng Benilde and JRU. Nung first round silang nagkaharap. Maganda yung defense eh. So, kung maganda yung floor defense, maganda yung blockings, meron talagang something dito sa JRU na kailangan lang nilang ilabas. Especially dito sa second round.
And ang graduating captain ng JRU, number 3, Kyla Hasareno. They have 3 graduating players, Hasareno, Laurente, and Amante. Drop ball popped up by Gatigan. And another point by Lieses.
Kay Shahana Lieses.
First technical timeout of the set.
Benilde off to a hot start, a blazing start. They lead JRU 8-2.
Marami sa mga student athletes ng NCAA ang tumutuloy sa mga professional basketball leagues at may mga piling atleta rin na nagiging basketball legends. Ilan sa mga past and future basketball legends ng NCAA ay sina Kaloy Loizaga, Laura Mumar at Freddie Webb na sinundan nila Atoy Ko, Philip Cesar, Vergel Meneses, Alvin Patrimonio at Samboy Lim. Isama nyo na rin sina Romel Aducul, Rodi Santos, Willie Miller, hanggang sa panahon ni na Ron J. Buenafe.
Live coverage sa Heart of Asia, simulcast sa GTV at nagpapakilala na ang mga bagong manlalaro ng Benildians. This is Ash Lieses. So, unti-unti na nating nakikita yung mga pumalit sa Fantastic Four. Of course, it's very hard to say na palitan natin si Jaden Tapa, Gail Pascual, Mitch Gamit, and Chloan Mondoniedo. But ganun ang buhay sa collegiate sports, John Vic. Alam mo yan.
Magbabago't magbabago yan. Pero meron kasing pagbabago na mas gumanda. May pagbabago naman na sakto lang. Pero better dito para sa Benilde kung magbabagong ng mas maganda yung flow nung nilalaro nila. And mahirap talaga pag nawala yung mga seniors, Anton. As in, medyo mahirap yung adjustments.
Mataas na standard ang kailangan na abutin ng mga bagong manlalaro. But maganda sa kanila in terms of the body language. Mukhang hindi naman sila kinakabahan. They look very energetic and determined. Tsaka siguradong-sigurado sa kanilang mga galaw. Batara sends it back over to the Benildian side.
Badion. Well, good distribution of ball pagdating dito sa kanilang setter na si Basilio and napamaximize niya yung mga spikers itong Benilde.
Zen Basilio in the first round meeting only played in the 3rd set. Came off the bench. So ibang-iba itong Benildian team na napapanood natin ngayon kumpara sa naglaro nung first round. And that just goes to show kung gaano kalalim itong koponan ni Coach Onyok.
And minsan mga tactics yan ng mga coaches, Anton. Kasi before, I remember, hindi kami ginamit. May isang tournament na hindi kami ginamit all throughout the elimination to semifinals. Pero pagdating sa championship, dun lang kami ginamit. So surprisingly, hindi naabangan ng mga kalaban namin kung ano yung magiging play ng bawat new players inside the court.
But I'm sure alam nila. Kasi paano kayo tatago ng coach? Kilala ka.
Pero kasi yung sa tournament kasi talagang pinapanood nila every game. Nire-review nila. So ine-expect nila kung ano yung naglaro nung semis, nung elimination, same play. So pagdating dun sa championship itself, na nawala sila. As in naguluhan sila sa mga play ng mga bagong pinasok sa court.
But I'm guessing, John Vic, yung pinakamahirap na adjustment is yung sa inyo. Kasi kayo yung hindi naglalaro tapos but you know you're very capable of being out there tapos biglang naglaro. Crucial pa.
At sometimes, dalawa lang naman yan kung magpe-perform ka o kakabahan ka. Kasi parang iba pagkalaban mo yung mga veteranong players. Pero sa nakikita naman natin dito sa nilalaro ng Benilde, mukha namang konti lang yung naging adjustments nila sa pagkawala ng Fantastic Four.
Lieses. Sky Lieses. So, the rookie twins, the Lieses twins, doing damage for the Benildians early on. What a discovery.
First time yun First time. Ako first time kong nakanood ng isang tournament na magkalaban ay magkakampi at same position. Diba? Parehas outside heater.
Ano nga tinanong ko si Coach Onyo, Coach, ano ang pinagkaiba ni Kai at ni Ash? Nagtinginan sila ng coaching staff niya. Parang hindi rin nila alam.
Parang question mark. Ano ang pinagkaiba nila?
Or maybe ayaw lang sabihin. Para surprise na lang para sa lahat. Kasi gaya ng sinabi mo, both open spikers.
At palaging nagbibigay ng puntos. Another point para kay Shekinah Lieses.
Brother, kinikwento mo yung time na you guys played in the crucial match. Parang ganito yung ginagawa ng Benilde ngayon. You have Zam Nolasco, you have Micah Go on the bench right now.
Well, ano yan, malaking bagay for stats and review. Pag nagre-review kasi yung mga teams, talagang pinapanood nila every game. So, yung iba hindi nila alam at unexpected yung mga plays na bago. Lalo na ngayon, second round, medyo crucial na to, Anton.
Yan yung mga leading scores ng Benilde. Sina Waylin Estoque, Zam Nolasco, Micah Go, Clydel Catarig. And they're all on the bench right now.
And maybe, siguro may mga ginagawa si coach na pinapalaro niya itong mga players na naglalaro inside the court versus JRU para itong mga kumbaga, medyo senior players makapag-relax at maka-gain ng experience itong mga bago.
So first TV game, exposure agad para sa mga bata. And an ace by the Lady Bombers. Preta delivering the goods. Shanine Preta. Sharp serve. Here is the toss combination play. Popped up. Inday Laurente. Kanino ibibigay? Blockers were there. Alonia keeps the ball in play. Oh, what a save. Inocentes. Back row attack. Is that on the line? No, it's not.
Serving 15.
So close.
Di na challenge. Tuloy ang ating laro.
Good serve.
And
wow.
Second ace para kay Shanine Preta. JRU on a mini run here with Preta at the service line. Tina-target dito si Ash Lieses.
Tama yung ginagawa nito si Preta dahil first thing na kailangan mong gawin dito sa volleyball is mag-target ka at lakasan yung service mo. At alam mo naman ang Benilde, pag nagkaroon ng magandang receive yan, maganda rin ang mga combination play niyan.
Chance ball given up by Benilde. That's a rare chance ball at nag-capitalize itong JRU.
4 straight points para sa JRU.
And the last one courtesy of Pat Del Pilar. One of the tallest players on the lineup of Coach Mia Tioseco. Second touch, Preta with a delivery. And another point by JRU.
Good target. Talaga na-eliminate itong JRU yung attacks na kaninang ginagawa nung early part nitong first set ng College of St. Benilde. Diba? Service lang. Service is the key, sabi nila.
And a very active Del Pilar at the top of the net. Wow, wow, wow.
Great serve para kay Preta.
Coach Mia Tioseco has hit the jackpot with Shanine Preta at the service line. Tuloy-tuloy ang atake ng JRU. An 8-0 run. Nagpapaula ng mga aces si Shanine Preta.
And ang ganda dun sa serve niya. Dun sa veteran player pa, naka-ace dun sa kanilang libero. Serve.
Laurente. Preta from the back row. Dorog. Lieses, hinahabol. Laurente, kanino siya pupunta? Lieses was there. Quick attack. And the rally continues. Lieses finally stops that 8-0 run by JRU.
Medyo mahaba-haba yun nandun na hinabol ng JRU.
Benilde will head into this technical timeout after stopping the bleeding at 16-12. This is a familiar practice of a Coach Jerry Yee squad. He allows his players to talk amongst themselves during the timeouts and the huddles because that's the way he shows his trust para sa kanyang mga manlalaro. And this was that spike that ended that 8-0 run by JRU. So Kai Lieses with that sharp spike. Getigan back in the fray and flying in for the kill, Aya Densing.
Sa opposite line. Ataka dito si Densing.
Basilio also showing steadiness as the setter para dito sa Benildians. Ayan na naman si Densing.
Another point para kay Densing. Kanina pa siya gigil na gigil eh. Ang good thing naman dito sa kanilang setter. Pinibigyan ng chance makabawi.
Six-point lead para sa Benildians. Getigan. Lieses down the line. Tawag muli ng timeout si Coach Ian Yoseco as Kai Lieses gets the point.
Remember, one step away. One step. Pag dito kayo, one step away yan. Forward. Or dito sa gilid, one step. Gawin din dito. Tingnan nyo kung saan yung direction niya. Ito lang naman yan eh. Saan yung direction? Pag dito, tapat, tapat, tapat. Kunin nyo.
Coach Mia Yoseco tumawag ng timeout kasi sayang naman ang layo ng hinabol nila eh.
Pinawi agad ng Benilde after nung technical timeout.
So this is 3 straight points for the Benildians after that technical timeout. Getigan. Lieses. Off the block.
The Lady Blazers are now at 20.
20-12. Service error by Basilio.
Service error. Point for JRU. Substitution for the Lady Bombers, number 7, Jen Silverio for number 17.
Jen Silverio coming in for Jose Rizal University.
JRU, Laurente.
Pilar magpapahinga muna. Drop ball for Kai does not work. Balik ang bola dito sa Benilde. Densing. Popped up by Deala. Laurente tossing it up. And the captain of the Benildians, Dorog, was there. Alonia was there for JRU. Ramos, cross court. Laurente, inabangan si Densing. Down the line naman. May nakaabang. Down the line for Kai.
Another point. Ito yung pang 7-point nitong si Kai. And medyo mahaba na yung rally natin, Anton. Nakikita natin yung defense na meron ng JRU. Good serve.
Good TV debut for Kai Lieses. 7 points already.
That's a point for
9-point lead for the Benildians. Kai Lieses, sharp serve straight into the arms of Alonia. And what a kill! The high-flying lefty Nicole Deala.
Ang ganda naman nung paalo niya doon.
Getting up there.
Well, sa volleyball, napakahirap talagang basahin ng left-handed. Iba talaga. Hindi mo alam kung saan niya kakabigan yung bola dahil pag mga right-handed kasi usually nasasanay tayo na cross-court, sharp cross, pero pag lefty na yung pumalo, medyo confusing.
No, kalmot lang, pero nakapuntos. Nagawa ng paraan. Majoy Inocentes getting that point for the Benildians, who are now 2 points away from taking this first set. Let's see what the Rizalians will do. Quick attack, puntos na naman para sa Lady Blazers. Sofia Badion
set point.
adding a point to her name.
Even yung mga middle blockers natin ng Benilde, nagko-contribute sila when it comes to point. Maganda yung mga attacks and distribution ng bola, and
Zarina Ramos off the block. Ayaw pang bitawan. Sorrente with a toss to Zarina Ramos. Check out. Benilde trying to end this first set. Deala! Wow!
grabe yung talo nito si Deala. Hindi siya katakaran. Pero yung lundag at saka yung kung gaano ka-explosive yung palo niya, nakakagulat.
Densing trying to end it. JRU says not yet. Dorog gets it in the air. Lieses. Pwede pa to. Another chance for the Benildians. Densing. Deala was there. Nicole, cross court. Densing. And na-late lang yung pancake attempt ni Yanyan Alonia. So Densing is able to end this first set via this placement hit na may konting tulong mula sa net. It's a new generation of Benildian Lady Spikers na ating napapanood. And they take this first set against JRU 25-16.